Imagine a world where machines learn and evolve. Welcome, you are in the era of artificial intelligence and machine learning. In this new dawn of technology, the demand for AI and machine learning skills is skyrocketing. Industries across the board are recognizing the transformative power of these technologies, and they are on a quest for talent that can harness this power. Take the automotive industry, for instance. Autonomous cars are no longer a thing of science fiction. They are real, they are here, and they are learning. Every turn they take, every obstacle they avoid, they learn and improve. This isn't just about making our commutes easier, but also about making our roads safer. Now let's shift our focus to healthcare, another industry that's witnessing a revolution. Robots are now assisting surgeons in performing complex surgeries with precision that surpasses human capabilities. AI-powered diagnostic tools are making healthcare more accessible, predicting diseases before they strike, and saving countless lives. Or consider the entertainment industry. AI is transforming how we consume content. Streaming platforms are using machine learning algorithms to understand our preferences and recommend content that we are likely to enjoy. This isn't just enhancing our viewing experience, but also helping content creators reach their intended audience. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. The applications of AI and machine learning are limitless, spanning across sectors like finance, agriculture, education, and many more. But what does this mean for you? It means unparalleled opportunities. There's a vast ocean of possibilities waiting to be explored. Whether you are a student, a professional looking to switch careers, or just someone fascinated by technology, there's never been a better time to dive into the world of AI and machine learning. Remember, AI and machine learning aren't just buzzwords, they are shaping our future. And those who master these skills will be the architects of this future. From digital currencies to secure contracts, the blockchain technology is revolutionizing the way we exchange value. Imagine a world where every transaction, every exchange of value is secure and transparent. Welcome to the world of blockchain. This technology, which first gained prominence with the advent of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, has now permeated various sectors of our global economy. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. But what sets them apart from traditional forms of currency is their decentralized nature. They are not issued or controlled by any central authority, like a government or financial institution. This decentralization is made possible by blockchain technology, which serves as a public ledger for all transactions across a peer-to-peer network. Moreover, cryptocurrencies are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the possibilities offered by blockchain. Let's move on to smart contracts. Like a traditional contract, a smart contract defines the rules and penalties around an agreement. However, it also automatically enforces those obligations. In other words, it's a contract that carries out the terms of the contract itself. This self-executing nature of smart contracts makes them incredibly efficient and reduces the risk of manipulation. Now, you might be wondering, where does the security aspect come in? Well, once a block of data is recorded on the blockchain, it is extremely difficult to change or remove. When a block is added to the chain, it becomes transparent to everyone involved. This high level of transparency and security is what makes blockchain such a breakthrough technology. In essence, blockchain developers are using this technology to build a new kind of internet, one where digital information can be distributed but not copied. They're creating a world where trust is established not by big institutions but by technology, by code, by mass collaboration. In the age of digital trust, blockchain developers are the architects of our financial future. And not just financial, but our societal and institutional future as well. Because with blockchain, the possibilities are truly endless. In a world connected by the internet, our biggest threat is invisible: cybercrime. This menace lurks in the shadows of our digital lives, threatening to disrupt our sense of security and privacy. It's a modern-day battlefield where the weapons are codes, and the soldiers are cybersecurity experts. Cybersecurity isn't just about preventing attacks, it's about building resilient systems that can withstand, recover, and learn from them. In this digital arena, ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, are the unsung heroes. They are the ones who use their skills not to harm, but to protect. They are the digital detectives, finding vulnerabilities before the cybercriminals do, and patching them up to keep our data safe. But cybersecurity isn't a one-person show. It's a vast field that requires a diverse team of experts. Enter the security consultants. These are the strategists, the planners, the visionaries. They analyze the risks, devise the defenses, and ensure that the digital fortresses they build today can withstand the cyber threats of tomorrow. Remember, every email you send, every transaction you make, every photo you share online passes through systems that these cybersecurity experts strive to protect. They guard our digital borders, ensuring that our personal information, financial data, and national secrets are safe from prying eyes. In this era where data is the new oil, the value of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. It's not just about protecting information, it's about safeguarding our way of life in a digital world. The stakes are high and the challenges are immense, but with each passing day as new threats emerge, so does our resolve to fight them. So the next time you log into your email or make an online purchase, remember there's a team of cybersecurity experts working round the clock to keep your digital world secure. They are the guardians of the digital realm, the defenders of our data. In the fight against cybercrime, cybersecurity experts are our knights in shining armor. In the information age, data is the new oil, and data science is the refinery. Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast ocean, but instead of water, it's brimming with raw, unprocessed data. This ocean, friends, is our digital world. Each day, billions of interactions, transactions, and communications create a tidal wave of information, but without a way to make sense of it all, it's just noise. That's where data science comes in. Data science is like a compass in this ocean of information. It directs us towards meaningful insights, helping us navigate through the noise. It's a combination of mathematics, statistics, programming, and problem-solving that allows us to extract valuable information from complex, large-scale datasets. Now let's talk about how data science powers decision-making. Imagine you're a business owner. You have a product that's selling well, but you want to take it to the next level. How do you know which markets to target, which demographics to focus on, or even what tweaks to make to the product itself? That's where data science comes in. It helps businesses make informed decisions by analyzing and interpreting complex data. But the applications of data science go well beyond business. In healthcare, it's used to predict disease outbreaks or identify patterns in patient data. In finance, it's used to detect fraudulent transactions or optimize investment strategies. And in marketing, it helps companies understand their customers' behavior and preferences, driving targeted campaigns. Data science is like a master key, unlocking insights and solutions in virtually every sector. But it's not just about understanding the present, it's also about predicting the future. Using machine learning, a subset of data science, we can train computers to learn from data and make predictions. It's like having a crystal ball, only grounded in data and statistics. With data science, we don't just see the world as it is, but as it could be. Imagine having the power of a supercomputer in your pocket. That's the promise of cloud computing. Cloud computing is more than a technological revolution. It's a paradigm shift. It's transforming the way we store, manage, and process data. Gone are the days when businesses had to invest heavily in their own hardware and software. With cloud computing, you can access a world-class IT infrastructure on a pay-as-you-go basis. Think of it like renting a supercomputer that's always on, always updated, and always ready to scale up or down based on your needs. It's not just about cost savings, it's about agility, flexibility, and the ability to innovate faster. Now imagine being the one who helps businesses make this transformation. That's where the demand for expertise in platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud comes in. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the market leader with a vast array of services. From data storage to machine learning, AWS has a solution for almost everything. Being an AWS expert means having the skills to help businesses unlock new possibilities. Then there's Microsoft Azure, a close second in the cloud market. Azure is popular among businesses that already use Microsoft software, making it a valuable skill for IT professionals. And let's not forget Google Cloud. While it's the underdog in the market, Google Cloud is known for its advanced machine learning and AI capabilities. It's a platform that's growing rapidly, creating exciting opportunities for those who master it. So, whether you're interested in data analytics, artificial intelligence, or software development, there's a place for you in the cloud. It's not just about understanding the technology, but also about understanding how businesses can leverage it to create value. In the era of cloud computing, the sky is not the limit, it's the starting point. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, the future is in your hands. The rise of artificial intelligence, blockchain development, cybersecurity, data science, and cloud computing is reshaping our world. These are not just trend-setting technologies, but the key skills to unlock a future filled with opportunities. They are the pillars that will support the edifice of tomorrow's world. Stay tuned for more insights on how to future-proof your career. Remember, the future isn't something that happens, it's something you create.